In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add audio to your callouts in a Hotspot interaction. My name's Paul Wilson, and I make videos about e-learning, specifically with the authoring tool Adobe Captivate. If you like what I'm doing here today, by all means subscribe to my channel, like this video, and certainly share it with your e-learning colleagues. In a continuation of the Adobe Captivate 13 videos that I've prepared, version 13 allows you to also add audio to your Hotspot callouts using the Hotspot widget in the all-new Adobe Captivate. So let's take a look at that now. Okay, so I've made this simple Hotspot interaction designed to look at the ADDIE stages, the analysis, design, develop, implement, and evaluation stages. And it's really simple to add audio to this here. Select your first callout hotspot there. Click on the interactions icon and click on Add Interaction. When you expand this, we're going to play media, and I'm going to browse to where that media file is located. Here it's AK1 is the first one here. We'll press Done. We'll select the second hotspot, and I'm just going to press Callout 2 to make sure I'm selecting the correct one. Again, we'll click on the interactions icon, add an interaction, expand, play media, and we'll browse to our second audio clip, press Open, press Done. Now our third one here, and I think that needs to go up just a little bit there. Positioning these to sort of look like a cycle, but regardless, add interaction. When the user expands this particular hotspot, we're going to play media, browse. This is our third one, press Open. You don't actually have to press Done. It's more there for the discard if you change your mind. But let's go ahead and just press Callout 4. We'll make sure it's the right one. Press the interactions icon, add an interaction, expand, play media, browse to number 4, press Open. And our fifth and final stage in this cycle, we'll add an interaction, expand, play media. Let's browse to our audio clips. AK5 is the fifth one, obviously, and Open. And we can press Done here if we wish. That takes care of that. Let's preview it and let's see how it looks and sounds. Okay, so we'll go ahead and we'll click on the first one.
Identify learner needs, define goals, and analyze gaps to guide effective instructional design.
Next, we'll do the second.
Plan learning objectives, content, assessments, and strategies to structure the instructional experience.
The third.
Create and assemble learning materials based on the design plan using chosen tools and media.
The fourth one.
Deliver the training to learners and ensure all materials, facilitators, and systems function effectively.
And of course, with many of the widgets that are available, you can see that our next button is disabled until we click on the final of our hotspots here. Let's do that now.
Assess learning effectiveness and gather feedback to refine and improve the instructional program.
And of course, now our next button is available. Our students can press that and continue with the rest of the e-learning course.
If you thought this video was helpful, please like and share it with your colleagues. If you need help with Adobe Captivate, hire Paul for one-on-one instruction. Paul's goal is to focus on lessons based on your specific needs. Visit his website at captivateteacher.com. And don't forget to subscribe to his YouTube channel.